Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to start the recovery mode in the mBook from the Maxcom. So this operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your laptop or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn it on. And a few times before the installation, the system reloading, we're going to try to turn it off. One. The second try, we're going to turn it on. And secondly, turn it off. One more time, turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. And as you see, there is a prepare to automatically repair. And now just wait. Yep, it's still loading. And now you will see the image from the recovery, and this we're gonna choose this option. Next, we're gonna try to this case. Yep, and this is the reset button. Click on it. We're gonna erase all, so we're gonna choose this option. If you want to have your data, click on this option. I'm gonna reset all. And this is the installation from the cloud or install from the Windows, from your computer. So I'm gonna locally install from my computer. And this you can only uninstall your previous Windows, or you can clean all hard drive. I'm gonna clean all hard drive in this case. That's it. Now computer is preparing to install the new system operation. So that's it for now about the recovery. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!